upon a time, not so long ago, I found myself in a situation that I never thought I'd experience. My accounts were compromised. I was hacked. It was an unnerving episode that left me feeling utterly defenseless. I'm here today to share this tale not to spread fear, but to impart knowledge that I wish I had known before my ordeal. You might think hacking is a complex process reserved for the tech-savvy and the malicious. But the truth is, it can be quite simple. My hacker didn't need to be a coding genius, they simply capitalized on my errors. It started with an innocent-looking email, a message from a service I use regularly, asking me to update my account details. That was my first mistake. I clicked the link in the email. It led me to a page that looked identical to the service's login page. I entered my username and password, and that was it. I had handed over my login credentials to the hackers on a silver platter. But the story doesn't end there. The hackers then used my email to reset passwords on other accounts linked to it. You see, I had used the same password for multiple accounts. That was my second mistake. One key, multiple locks. Once they had the key, they had access to everything. Reflecting on this terrifying experience, I've learned several vital lessons about online security. First, never click on links in unsolicited emails. Instead, manually type the website address into your browser. Secondly, don't use the same password for multiple accounts. It might be convenient, but it's not safe. There are a number of simple yet effective measures you can take to protect yourself. One of these is to use a strong, unique password for each of your accounts. Consider using a password manager to help remember them. Enable two-factor authentication wherever possible. This adds an extra layer of security, making it harder for hackers to gain access. My ordeal was a harsh wake-up call, but it has made me more vigilant. I hope sharing my story and the lessons I've learned will help you avoid the pitfalls that led to my accounts being compromised. Prevention is better than cure. By taking a proactive approach to online security, you can significantly reduce the risk of falling victim to hackers. Stay vigilant, stay informed, and most importantly, stay safe. Thank you for taking the time to listen to my story. Remember, the internet can be a wonderful place, but it's up to us to navigate it safely.